Uh-oh. There we go. What's going on, guys? So today is, I think it's the 17th today. Yeah, today is Thursday, September 17th. It's about 1 o'clock right now, which is a lot later than I normally go fishing. Normally I start around 8 a.m., but this morning I got up, I had a bunch of editing to do. I just shot a wedding, so I was working on editing those photos before I did anything else. But anyways, I'm back out here at a creek, and it's been a while since I fished this creek, obviously, but the water levels everywhere are super low just because we haven't got that much rain here lately. So I'm gonna give it my best shot. I'm probably just gonna be switching off lures. I brought my rooster tails with me, spoons, and some other ultralight lures, as well as some soft plastics. But I'm gonna walk down, look for a deeper pool, and go ahead and get started. Okay, so the water over here is pretty shallow as well, but normally this is where I start. Somebody's come and cleared out a bunch of the trees that were damming this up a bit. So I'm sure that's changed this whole ecosystem up some, but hopefully I can get into something here today. I have on this little, I think it's a slab something. The lure is called the slab something. I can't remember, I gotta look, but oh, I just got bit. But I gotta look, but it's just a little soft plastic swim bait with a jig head tied on. Recently somebody told me, not recently, but a while ago somebody told me that there's some pretty big fish that live in these waters. So maybe one day I'll be able to get on one. This is where I caught my personal best rock bass. So definitely fond of this place for sure. I'll be even more fond if I get on some fish today though. I know there's gotta be something over there where I got bit the first cast. Hiding under that tree or something. But I don't know if I'll be able to get him. Oh, what was that? He'll come back. Uh-oh. There we go. Woo! All right. All right, just got fish number one. Looks like a little largemouth, but it might be a spotted bass. Let me know down in the comments. I thought I was snagged at first, but it ended up being a bass. Let's let him go. All right, so I tied on a smaller lure that was sent in from one of you guys, and hopefully this helps out. I saw a bunch of sunfish over here when I went to go get my other lure out the tree, so I'm hoping that this smaller presentation can get some of these sunfish. So right over in here, let's see. Well, the cast is on the money. I see fish following it. Will they take up? There we go. Oh, was not expecting that. Nice size red breast. It's been a while since I caught one of these beautiful fish, man. Definitely one of my favorite sunfish as far as colors go. No! Well, got off before I could show him. Alright, let's see if we can keep that up. There's gotta be some other fish in there. That was actually pretty large. I didn't see any fish over there that were that large. I didn't think I saw any that were that big. Oh wow. Hit again. There we go. Finally something else. And a little long ear. Super tiny. Alright, finally got fish number 3. Little long ear. Let's get him back. Alright, so now that I downsized lures, I'm getting a whole bunch more bites, but they're just these small bites. But judging from the size of that long ear, that might be why I'm not being able to get a good hook, get a good hook set. If the fish are so small that they can't get a jig head in their mouth, then that would explain the lack of success. But I'm gonna give it about 5 more minutes in this area right here, and then I'm gonna walk upstream. I normally go downstream when I come here, but I see 2 other guys waiting in the water and fishing, so I'm gonna try to give them space and not fish over them. But let's keep going. All right, so 3 fish. 3 fish. This is more than I caught by sitting at home editing, so definitely nice to be out. Got Alright, so I'm going to try where I started off using this smaller lure as we work our way back upstream. Kind of feel like I'll have a bit more success with a smaller lure over here. But I won't know until I start casting, will I? Yes, there's some sunfish. There we go. All right. Finally. All right, finally got fish number 4, green sunfish. Let's get him back. Well, the day started off pretty slow, but things are starting to pick up. I'm glad that I ended up staying for, I'm gonna probably end up giving it about another hour, then call it for the day. But I'm gonna walk upstream. Let's keep going. There we go. All right, just got a beautiful, beautiful long ear. Let's get him back. There we go. Whew. All right, finally after fishing that brush pile for a while, I was able to hook into a bluegill. Beautiful fish, man. Let's get him back. There we go. And another long ear. There we go. And what do we got here? Looks like a All right, so I'm not sure if this is a hybrid between a bluegill and a green sunfish or just a green sunfish, but let's get him back. There we go. And another bluegill. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for the day. I ended up catching about maybe 7 or 8 fish, I'm not sure, but definitely a good day out, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care.